Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from my friend Kristy. She sent this to me and said she wanted me to have it to start my new lifestyle and with my healthy eating and all of that. So I don't know what in the world it is. She's so funny. She was cute. She sent it to me. She thought from Amazon, but she accidentally sent it to her house. So then she, bless her heart, she had to resend it to me. But she was so sweet about it, and I totally appreciate it. I have no idea what this is, but let's check it out. Oh my goodness, look at this. Aww. It is a vitamin case. And it says, Tammy, it has been an absolute joy to watch your weight loss journey, and I couldn't be prouder of you. You are truly inspiring me. The day I discovered your TT.Scraps channel, I could feel that you were a genuine and kind person, and it made me want to continue watching your channel. Thank you so very much. Once you announced that you were starting your Transforming Tammy channel with the hope of gastric bypass surgery, I felt instantly that our connection was even stronger, given that we have been through similar struggles. I've been in the exact journey you're on now and that you're experiencing now, and I would love to be able to support you. You're doing amazing, and I'm your biggest cheerleader. I've enclosed a little gift to provide you motivation. Do not forget the importance of taking your vitamins every day. So appreciative and thankful for your friendship. Thank you so much, Kristy. This is awesome. I love that it has every day of the week. I love that it has different times during the day. I do take vitamins 4 times a day, so this is perfect, and I absolutely appreciate it. Thank you so very much. I am excited about using this, and yeah, this is going to be big enough to hold all of the pills that I would need, even like the gummies that I take for biotin. Those are really the only gummies I take, but everything will fit very nicely in there. And I love that you can remove them or you can leave them in. That is a really cool. I absolutely appreciate this very much. Thank you so much, Kristy, and I am forever grateful. And thank you so much for all of your support. It is so kind, and I love having friends that I can lean on and talk to, and goodness gracious, you're the best. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, everyone. And thanks again, Kristy. Bye-bye.